kalubian chess players. So an aton topic yan na kabahin hin double bishop mate. So syempre importante gud an pagmati ha chess. Amiton pinaka ultimate goal good ha chess. Kumbaga iba na sports an pag checkmate amo an pinaka effective na pag-score. For example kung na basketball, ang bola dapat shoot nga to ring. So kung for example may 1 point, 3 points. So ang goal han basketball is ang pag-shoot handball ha ring. So ha chess, kung ha chess, ang ultimate goal good at chess is pag checkmate. So dinhi ang atong topic is double bishop mate. So kung ma-sharing kita double bishop, ang duha ka bishop and ma-checkmate. So din yan last move han white is rook move dida ha dito. So din ano ban mao pay natira ni? Paano kita maka double check with double bishop mate. So syempre ma-check ani with bishop. So dida para kita maka double checkmate. Double bishop mate, ma-check kita or magamit kita bishop. So dinhi mo sacrifice ani kita. Okay. Nga dida. Okay, ada na light square diagonal. So gamiton ta ang light square na bishop. So after check, pag kada dida, pin na kasi ni na bishop. So din natin makaka-cover ready. So may na double bishop checkmate. Okay, another hinina posisyon paano kita mag-double bishop checkmate. Syempre, gamiton naton an duha ka bishop. Okay, first and bishop is nag-control dark square. So, second na bishop is ang light square. So, ang king is adding my light square. So, dapat gusto po check kita ang atong light square with checkmate. So, first thing is masacrifice kita ang queen and then check. So, may na double bishop checkmate. Okay, last. So, dinhi an king is at the dark square. So, okay, while an bishop light square naton is nag-control ready. So, adi kita may dark square. So, after for example, check, ngan mag-cover ya, after check ito, mada na kita double bishop checkmate. So, amat to, kalubian chess players and aton topic yan na kabahin pagmati with double bishop. So, hopefully, may nabaruan ka mo ngan may danat ka mo bago na idea para magamit niyo ha iyo umarabot na chess tournament yan nga August 9 ha ABC Hall. So, damo nga salamat.